Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we are diving into the latest and final leaks surrounding the Canon EOS R6 Mark III. This highly anticipated mirrorless camera has generated immense buzz, and while it was initially expected to debut before CP Plus in February 2025, its absence fueled speculation. Now, fresh reports suggest that Canon is planning a May 2025 launch instead. The delay might be due to ongoing production challenges, as Canon continues to manage high demand for the EOS R5 Mark II and the upcoming EOS R1 across various markets. Given that the R6 lineup is one of Canon's best-selling full-frame series, ensuring a robust supply chain before release is crucial. Despite the delay, expectations for the Canon EOS R6 Mark III remain high, especially following the success of the R5 Mark II and the EOS R1. Canon aims to deliver a camera that enhances professional photography and videography experiences, making it a sought-after upgrade for enthusiasts and professionals alike. A powerful 24MP sensor with advanced capabilities. One of the standout features of the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is its rumored 24-megapixel LC1720 sensor, reportedly derived from the flagship EOS R3. This next-generation sensor is expected to bring ultra-fast readout speeds, excellent low-light performance, and superior dynamic range. With a resolution that strikes the perfect balance between detail and speed, the R6 Mark III will cater to photographers who need high-quality images without compromising rapid shooting capabilities. Whether capturing action shots or low-light scenes, this sensor is engineered to deliver outstanding results with minimal noise. Enhanced processing power with Digic Accelerator. Canon is rumored to equip the R6 Mark III with an upgraded Digic Accelerator processor, boosting overall performance, image processing speed, and autofocus accuracy. This advancement is expected to enable high-end features like 6K oversampled cinema 4K recording and 4K at 120 frames per second, catering to professional videographers. The improved processor will also enhance noise reduction, providing cleaner images even at high ISO settings, and reduce shutter lag when shooting fast-moving subjects. Next-gen image stabilization. 8.5 stops of shake reduction. Another major highlight is the rumored 8.5-stop collaborative image stabilization system, significantly improving handheld shooting capabilities. This upgrade will be a game-changer for photographers who rely on natural lighting conditions, reducing the need for tripods in low-light settings. The enhanced stabilization will make it easier to capture sharp, steady images in dynamic environments, such as sports, wildlife, and street photography. Autofocus performance. Rivaling the EOS R5 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark III is expected to feature an advanced autofocus system comparable to the EOS R5 Mark II. With Canon's cutting-edge dual-pixel CMOS AF2 technology, the camera is rumored to support over 1,530 autofocus points, ensuring precise focus across the entire frame. This AI-powered autofocus will track subjects with impressive accuracy, even in challenging lighting conditions. Whether you are photographing fast-paced sports, wildlife, or action-packed events, this advanced focusing system is designed to keep up with your demands. High-speed shooting for action photography. For photographers who require rapid shooting speeds, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is rumored to support 14-bit RAW continuous shooting at 30 FPS using an electronic shutter. This blazing fast capture rate makes it ideal for action photography, ensuring you never miss a critical moment. Additionally, the camera is expected to offer a high-speed readout at 1/88,000 of a second, minimizing rolling shutter distortion and ensuring accurate image rendering. This feature will be particularly useful for professionals capturing fast-moving subjects, such as motorsports and wildlife. Neural network noise reduction for superior image quality. One of the most intriguing rumored features is Canon's new neural network noise reduction system, which utilizes AI-powered algorithms to intelligently reduce noise in high ISO images. By analyzing and selectively reducing noise without compromising details, this feature will ensure cleaner, more detailed images. This will be a huge advantage for photographers working in low-light environments, as it minimizes the need for post-processing. Enhanced image magnification for precise focus checking. The R6 Mark III is also expected to introduce an advanced magnification feature, allowing photographers to zoom in on captured images with superior clarity. This will be particularly beneficial for professionals who require precise focus accuracy in the field, ensuring sharp and detailed results even in high-resolution shots. Cinematic video capabilities. 6K oversampled cinema 4K. On the video front, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be a powerhouse. The camera is rumored to support XFAVC and XFHEVC recording formats, ensuring high-quality video capture while maintaining efficient compression. With 6K oversampled cinema 4K recording, 4K at 120p, and a Super 35mm mode, filmmakers will have access to a wide range of high-resolution video options. These features will provide greater flexibility in post-production, allowing for digital cropping, zooming, and stabilization without sacrificing image quality. Furthermore, the R6 Mark III is expected to support 6K at 30p and 4K at 60p cinema raw light recording, offering exceptional dynamic range and high-quality footage. This will be particularly beneficial for commercial filmmakers, documentary creators, and those producing high-end cinematic content. Final thoughts: a game changer for Canon's mirrorless lineup. While these specifications remain unconfirmed, the Canon EOS R6 Mark III is shaping up to be one of the most powerful mirrorless cameras in its class. With a sensor derived from the EOS R3, cutting-edge image stabilization, lightning-fast autofocus, and superior video recording capabilities, Canon aims to deliver a highly versatile camera for both photographers and videographers.